Hey, what's up? I'm Claire, and this is my best friend Keisha. I was gonna say it. Well, anyways, you didn't style my hair. How could you? You're so mean. And I'm gonna go tell Mom. Mom! Oh, mean? She thinks I'm mean? I'll show you what mean is. She did it! Well, they are in a cat fight, like always. So, my name is Claire, and I'm going to be making a whole series and maybe even more. I'm so excited about that because I want to show all you LPS fans out there, just some funny, awesome, super cool videos. Yeah, so I have a surprise. Well, it's kind of for me, but, So, I have a sofa, a TV, a bed, this normal room. It's all going to change, and I'm getting new stuff. I'm going to keep some of this stuff, but, it's going to be all new, and I'm so excited. They're going to be delivered in a few weeks, but, got to be patient. Well, I better get downstairs because my mom just wants to stay out of their way because Keisha and Carla fight all the time. And Carla is my sister. Yep, a striped cat who only cares about perfume, makeup, and, well, hair, of course. So I have to go down there and explain to Mom that it's going to be okay and they'll stop sometime when they grow up, I hope. Well, being the bigger person is hard, and I understand. A tip, ignore them. Unless your mom asks you something like, did you have something to do with this? Or any kind of questions. Just stay out of a fight. That's a really good tip. Anyways, I gotta get down there really fast. So, watch the next video. Sorry, this one had to be so short. I really have to go downstairs, and I'll make another video shortly. So, have a great day or evening, whenever you're watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. Or I'll see you, oh, I just really gotta go. Bye.